This is a tutorial for adding a single image in the Hallyu Harmony Omeka site. Before you begin, you want to have the file for your image and its URL handy. If you are cataloging a concept photo, you also need to have an article and its URL available as well. If you fill out your cataloging worksheet, this makes this process much easier. To begin, we're going to click on Add a New Item to your archive, and this brings up our fields. For adding a single item, we're only going to be working in Dublin Core and not in item type metadata. The first field I'm going to fill in is the title, and I'm merely cutting and pasting from my cataloging worksheet. The next field is description, and I have far less description because I'm not cataloging a concept photo. The next field is source, and for this field, I actually need to use the HTML editor, so I'm going to click the Use HTML box. This brings up the editor. I simply cut and paste my link in. It looks like it's hyperlinked, but I'm going to make sure that it's hyperlinked by clicking on the link here. It is because I have a URL in the link URL field. I'm going to set the target to open link in a new window and click Update. The next field is date. And then the final field in Dublin Core is type. Here we mean the type or the genre of music of the individuals pictured in the image. With all of our items in Dublin Core complete, we're now going to move on to collection because we don't have any item type metadata. And we're going to select the collection, and the collection here is 8.8. We're next going to click on Files, and here's where we're going to upload the file from our computer. I already have my image here. And next we move on to tags. I'm working from my cataloging worksheet, and so I already have those tags separated by a comma, so all I have to do is cut and paste. With all of my fields completed, I can now click Item, Add Item, which adds the image to the Omeka archive. So as you can see, here's my promotion photo. I want to now check my work. So I have my picture uploaded. I want to see what it looks like on the public page, and so I'm going to click here, View Public Page. This is what the item looks like to anyone coming to the site. So I have my title, my big beautiful photo of 8.8, and all of the information that I entered into the Dublin Core fields. My URL is active, and this brings us to the end of the tutorial. You can go on back to the administrative site, back to the administrative view to add more items as the guidelines state, but that's about it. This ends the tutorial for adding a single image to the Hallyu Harmony Omeka site.